Hello, good morning. I'm discussing about roles of metals in biological system. The metallic elements play a varieties of roles in bioinorganic chemistry. The important process in which the metals play important roles in biological system. Electron transfer. Biological system data are the redox reaction where electrons are carried by metals of copper and iron. Oxygen carrier hemoglobin found iron in all mammals, hemerythrin found in marine invertebrates, hemocyanin found in arthropods and mollusks, metalloenzymes and metallocoenzymes. Cobalt is used in vitamin B12, zinc, and carboxypeptides and carbonic anhydrase, nickel in urinase. Regulating actions. The regulatory actions of metals in biological system involve their role in the controlling or modulating biochemical pathways, cellular process, and physiological functions. Calcium, a key cellular regulation signal transduction, acts as a secondary messenger in intercellular signaling pathways, regulates processes like muscles contraction, neurotransmitter release, hormone secretion, and cell motility. Enzyme activation activates protein kinase, calmodulin-dependent protein kinase, and phosphatase. Cell cycle and division influence cell cycles, checkpoints, and mitotic spindle function. Zinc, gene expression and immune regulation, gene regulation. Zinc finger proteins bind to DNA and regulate transcription, ensuring the proper expression of genes. Immune system modulation, essential for T-cell development, cytokine production, and overall immune response. Apoptosis regulation, influence pathways leading to programmed cell death, crucial for tissue homeostasis and defense. Magnesium, ATP, and enzymatic regulation, energy regulation, stabilize adenosine triphosphate, enabling its use in enzymatic reactions. Ion channel modulation, regulation calcium and potassium channels affecting muscles contraction, nerve function, and cardiac rhythm. RNA-DNA synthesis acts as a cofactor in enzyme involved in nucleic acid synthesis and repair. Iron, oxygen, and energy regulation. Oxygen sensing and transport regulates the production of hemoglobin, and myoglobin plays a role in cellular oxygen sensing by prolyl hydroxylase enzymes. Electron transport chain participates in mitochondrial respiration and energy production. Copper, antioxidant and metabolic regulation, antioxidant defense regulates the activity of superoxides, dismutase, protecting cells from the reactive oxygen species. Iron homeostasis assists in iron mobilization by the ceruloplasmin, influencing the red blood cells production. Sodium and potassium, electrical and osmotic regulation, nor impulse transmission, maintain the resting the membrane potential and action potential propagation in neurons. Osmoregulation regulates the fluid balance and blood pressure by ion gradients across cell membranes. Selenium, oxidative stress regulation, antioxidant role as part of glutathione peroxidase regulates cellular redox state by neutralizing hydrogen peroxides and lipid peroxides. Thyroid function regulates the thyroid hormones metabolism by acting in deiodinase enzymes. Manganese enzyme regulation, bone formation regulates the enzyme involved in bone matrix formation, metabolism, modulates enzymes in glucose metabolism, urea cycle, and antioxidant defense. Chromium insulin regulation, blood sugar control, enhance the action of insulin by interacting with the insulin receptor pathways. Molybdenum, detoxification and metabolic regulation, enzyme regulation, function in enzyme like xanthine oxidase, sulfide oxidase, and aldehyde oxidase, regulating purine metabolism and detoxifying harmful sulfides. Structural role. The structural role of metals in biological systems involves their contribution to the stability, integrity, and functions of biomolecules such as proteins, enzymes, nucleic acid, and cellular structures. Metals provide strained rigidity and specific geometry to these molecules, enabling them to perform their biological functions effectively. Calcium. Bone and teeth formation. Calcium forms the structural framework of bones and teeth as hydroxyapatite, provides the strength and the rigidity to the skeletal systems. Protein stabilization stabilize the structure of certain proteins and enzymes by binding to specific sites. Magnesium, nucleic acid structure, stabilize the negative charges on the phosphate backbones of DNA and RNA, maintaining their structural integrity. Ribosome function, essential for the stability of ribosomes, ensuring the accurate protein synthesis. Zinc, protein structure, stabilize the protein folds, particularly in zinc finger motifs, which are crucial for DNA binding, gene regulation. Enzyme structural integrity maintains the active conformation of metalloenzymes. Iron, heme structure central to the heme group in the hemoglobin and myoglobin, which supports oxygen transport and storage. Enzyme cofactor provides structural stability to non-heme iron proteins such as these and those electron transport chain. Copper lysyl oxidase function facilitates the cross-linking of collagen and elastin, critical connective tissue integrity. Magnesium, cartilage in bone formation, plays a structural role in enzymes involved in the synthesis of glucosaminoglycans, essential for cartilage in bone matrix formation. Selenium, structural role in selenoproteins, forms part of selenocysteine, a key structural and function component of antioxidant enzymes like glutathione peroxidase. Sodium and potassium, membrane structure and function, maintain osmotic balance and membrane potential, which are crucial for structural integrity of cells. Molybdenum, enzyme stability provides the structural stability to molybdenum enzyme such as sulfide oxidase. Okay, it is all about role of metals in biological system. Thanks for watching. Thank you for patience. That's now. Bye bye. See you.